Hey YouTube, welcome to my series on road bike accessories for a low entry-level price. And I'm talking about whether you should buy stuff online from Amazon or Temu, or you should go to a big sports shop like Decathlon, Walmart, whatever the US equivalents are, or should you go to your local bike shop? So we're starting off with this, the bib, padded shorts and jersey from Amazon.com. I think this was 45 euros. You can check the price below. The reason I got this was because it's in two separate parts. So I thought if the padded shorts don't work, at least I can use the top. And this was an absolute fail. I wore this once and never again. So as you know, on road bikes, the seat is very thin. There's very little padding to keep the weight down. So you have the padding in the backside of your shorts. This is Chinese size double XL. And it said it's for people of like 1 meter 80 something, 1 meter 85. I'm 1 meter 83, and I was in a lot of discomfort wearing these padded shorts. They have padding in all the wrong areas, pushing uncomfortably in all the wrong reproductive parts of your body. So very quickly, no, you shouldn't buy this online. The Chinese sizes are always too small. I wouldn't even necessarily go to the local bike shop unless you feel very comfortable talking about your anatomy with some random salesperson. I think you have to talk to a friend or someone you feel comfortable with that's also doing road biking, that you're doing these trips with, to find out how they got their bib and shirt, but particularly the padded shorts. How have they done it? What brands do they recommend? What size do they use? And you're trying to find a guy that's more or less your body shape to see what they're using. And if it fits them, then more or less it should be okay for you. That's the way I recommend doing it. Another alternative is just that you don't wear the padded shorts. When you start off, you get a seat that has some padding in it, like this one back here. This is SMP, one of these Italian brands. There seem to be a lot of them. They get very good reviews online. You just use a more padded seat and you wear normal shorts to start off with. Hope that's useful. If you've got any questions or comments, stick them below. Please subscribe for my series on road bike accessories. Thanks.